how to unlock Facebook profile on Facebook Lite. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be discussing about how you can easily unlock your Facebook profile from Facebook Lite. So first thing, just head over to your Facebook Lite application and make sure you are currently logged into your account. Now once you're inside here, just select this profile icon at the top left section and you should be heading over to your profile section, and from over here just tap on this three dot icon, and once you tap on that you should see the option that is unlock profile directly over here. So just tap on that, and from here, as you can see, currently my profile is still locked. So you just basically have to click on this unlock button over here, which is a lock icon over here. So if you were locking your profile, only friends will see your past and future photos, posts and storage on your profile, and people will still be able to see your profile info set to public post you are tagged in, or search for you and send you friend requests. So for now I'll simply click on unlock, and just like that just click on unlock once more and just refresh the page, and just like that you have successfully unlocked your profile. To lock again, you can again follow the same steps as well. So that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.